Hello everyone, this is Rooftop Botanist. Today is 4th of January 2022 and today I am going to show you this tub that I have planted with three types of seed. One is spinach, the second one is red spinach, and the third one is okra plant. So I can show you the seeds. If I zoom in, this one is the spinach seed. Yes, this one, and some other seeds are there. I can zoom in and show it to you, but the red spinach seeds are so small that it is under the soil, and this is very minute like poppy seeds but black. And there is also 9 okra plant seeds. One is in the middle right there, and 8 are in the periphery, okay, throughout the tub. 8 are there and one is in the center. I hope that seed will, this one is what do you say, spinach seed. I personally think that the spinach and the red spinach seed will be growing out within 7 days, and the okra seeds will take, like these are the big seeds, but it will take 7 to 14 days. So I will keep you updated, so you can keep an eye on this channel, so you will be updated after some time, like 7 to 14 days I will update it. I water this plant every day and put fertilizer like NPK 111 solution is there, and there is like other organic fertilizers like mustard seed. I put those things every third day and let the soil dry for some time, and then again water it. The okra seeds are generally red, and I hope the okra will be red. And the red spinach are small plants are generally green, and when they grow up they turn to red. The spinach are generally, these are the small spinach seed, and they generally grow up to be small green plants, and after some time they will grow taller, longer and bigger greener plants. So to know the results, stay tuned and subscribe please.